If you are getting the could not find extracted wave file, this feature requires VLC media player error in Subtitle edit. Even though you have VLC media player installed, here is a solution for you. Go to Options and select Settings. In the Settings menu, find and select Waveform or Spectrogram. Now on the bottom right, you will notice something called FFmpeg. If you are wondering what that is, FFmpeg is a widely used multimedia framework that helps with handling video and audio. Make sure to check the box that says Use FFmpeg for wave extraction. If you already have FFmpeg installed on your system, you will need to tell Subtitle Edit where to find it. Click the little 3 dots button and select the location of the FFmpeg exe file. This file is typically located inside the bin folder. If you don't have FFmpeg installed, don't worry. Just click the download FFmpeg button and Subtitle Edit will take care of that for you. Once you have completed these steps, click OK. Now try adding the waveform again. It should work like a charm. Hope you have found this video helpful. If it did, please show your support by clicking the thumbs up button. And if you are new to this channel, consider subscribing. You will find more useful videos and shorts here. Thanks for watching.